Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI P Smart from 2019, and I'll show you how to reset network settings. So to start, we will need to open up Settings app and go all the way down into System. From here, choose Reset, and then choose Reset Network Settings. And on the bottom you have Reset Network Settings, so just tap on it. And if you have a pattern set, you will need to confirm it by drawing it, or if it's anything else like a PIN or password, you will need to put it in there. And once you have confirmed it, you can tap on it again and reset network settings. And as you can see, network settings have been reset and the operation is complete. So now I'm also disconnected from my network that I was connected on because the settings have been reset. So you will have the same thing, and you will need to put in the password of your network if you were connected to one once more. But that is how you reset network settings. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.